It's time for your first YouTube ad campaign. By the end of this short episode, you will have a YouTube ads running promoting your YouTube video and growing your YouTube channel. Oh man, so many YouTubes in that sentence. I am going to make this tutorial super simple so you can quickly have a YouTube ad up and running. That's why I am not going to over-explain things and overwhelm you. For the full detailed explanation, please check out my Easy YouTube Ads Academy, as it will explain everything in fine detail. Let's get started. We are at the dashboard of Google Ads. With the All Campaign section highlighted and the Overview highlighted, click on New Campaign. Select Create a Campaign without a goals guidance. Select the video, and then click Continue. Now you can give your ad campaign a name. The best way to name your campaign is by stating the goal, the topic or video that your video is about, the type of targeting, and the location of where your ad will run. For this example, I will be promoting one of my videos about email marketing for beginners. So my campaign name will be sub-email-keywords-USA. This way, I know that this campaign is for subscribers promoting an email marketing video targeting keywords in the USA. Simple and straightforward. Let's keep the bid strategy section at maximum CPV. In the budgets and dates, change the budget to daily and set the budget to $5 a day, which is a great starting point if this is your first time running YouTube ads. Then click on Networks and unselect Video Partners on the display network. We want our ad to display only on YouTube and not outside of YouTube. In the Location section, you can select the country that you reside or the country that your video most applies to. For me, I'm going to select the United States. Same thing for languages. Put down the language that is spoken in your video. I'm going to put down English. Keep the inventory type in Standard Inventory, but click on Excluded Types and Labels. Select Embedded YouTube Videos and Live Streaming Videos. What we are doing is to exclude our ad from displaying on those videos, because people watching those videos are not likely to interact with your ad. Next, click on Additional Settings. In the Devices section, select Set Specific Targeting for Devices. We are going to uncheck TV screens so that our ad does not appear on TV screens. People watching YouTube on TV tend to be lazier and are not willing to pick up the remote to subscribe to your channel, even if they are enjoying your video. Alright, we are done with the main settings of our ad campaign. Now, we just have to complete the ad group level of our campaign and we'll be done. The best name for your ad group is the name of your video. That way, there is no confusion as to which video you are promoting. So I'm going to type in my video name, Email Marketing for Beginners. Next, click on Demographics, then select the kinds of people that you want to target. Because you are just getting people to watch and subscribe to your channel and not sell a product, you don't have to be super specific on your demographic. Once done, you can skip audience for now because it's advanced targeting that we don't need to worry about right now. Up next is your specific targeting. My favorite targeting option to use to get viewers and subscribers is keywords targeting. So click on Keywords. I really like this type of targeting for the campaign we are running because people who are typing in keywords have strong intent. They are searching for something. So why not have our video pop out the moment they are searching for a topic like ours? The important part, however, is to target specific keywords. My video is about email marketing for beginners, but I don't want to target people who are typing in the keyword email marketing. Why? Because that's too general. A person typing in that keyword may be looking for all kinds of videos about email marketing. If they saw our ad and clicked on it just out of curiosity, it's probably not the video that they are looking for, and they will skip out of it and not subscribe to you. What we want is to target people who are specifically looking for email marketing for beginners, because that's exactly what our video is about. To get some quick keyword ideas, you can simply go onto YouTube and type in your specific keyword and see what YouTube suggests. These are the keywords that people are currently searching for. You can see just by typing in email marketing for beginners, I get more keyword ideas about this topic. So get around 5 to 10 keywords and put them in this keywords box. Once done, we can move on to bidding. This is the price that you are willing to pay maximum per view. The average view for an ad on YouTube costs about 10 cents per view, so we will put down 10 cents. And finally, we have reached the last part of our ad campaign, choosing which video we want to promote. Simply grab the URL of your video and paste it in this box. Okay, our video shows up. Then select Video Discovery Ad. Now you have a choice of a headline and 2 lines of description right beneath it. Here's a secret. Make your headline interesting, but not too clickbaity, if that's a word. We don't want to trick people into clicking our video, watching a few seconds, and skipping. We want people who are more sincere. These are the people that are more likely to watch your entire video and subscribe to your channel. So even though my thumbnail is "Send emails and make money in 4 days," my headline and description will be a bit more conservative. It would just be the title of the keyword, email marketing for beginners, and the 2 description would be how to send simple emails to get new leads on autopilot. Lastly, it's asking you the ad name, so you can once again type in the name of your video. This should also be the same name for the ad group. You can take one final look at the preview of your ad on both the mobile and the desktop to get an idea of how it will be displayed. If you are satisfied, you can click Create Campaign. And you're done! Congratulations! I am so happy for you. You just created your first YouTube ad. Cheers to that!